Pisces, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is all about me. This is in your frequency. Take care of yourself as you are transitioning and you are skyrocketing to another level. We need you to be fully energized. We need you to be fully happy. We need you to be fully centered. We need you to be in control of your water, not a tornado or a tsunami. We need you to be like a lazy river. We need you to be like the peaceful beach that we can surf your waves. We can lay among your waves and not have any fear of being hurt or drowned. Have your favorite meal, your favorite food, your favorite hobbies. Do what makes your heart shine and your soul glow, because that aura is what transitions. You're already helping the world. You're already in service, but you do not want to drain yourself, pouring out your whole pitcher of water, depleting your whole battery, serving the world. And when you come back home, you have nothing in your pitcher. You have nothing in your battery to recharge, or nothing for yourself. Make sure you take care of yourself first, because that's where you'll be able to service the world on a higher, more efficient, consistent level. A drained Pisces, that's a hard life to live. An energized Pisces, everything comes second nature, and you live, and I just want to increase your ease of living. I allow serenity to reign in me, and the love that I have for myself invites harmony to settle within my being. I listen to and honor and strive to fulfill the needs of my soul. Take care of you before you take care of the rest of the crew. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.